Okay, we are going to do a rotation tessellation. I've got my lovely instruction sheet right here. You're going to start with this step 1 where it says that you're going to cut out from one side and rotate it around to the one across. So for translation, we went opposite sides. For rotation, it's going to spin around this little corner on the edge. I'll show you what I mean. So if I draw this and I go, maybe we'll make almost like little mountains, okay? Now when I cut this out, again, it has to be in one cut. Okay, I have it here. I'm putting my finger here. This guy spins around, 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 comes to a stop. So now when I tape them back together, I'm going to tape it here, and I'm going to tape it right here. So I'm taping along that edge. So now I have spun this to here. It made a little rotating that way, little arrow. Okay? We can also do stuff to this corner over here. So I'm going to do, let's say, a little triangle there. Okay, now that my triangle's right here, again, this time when I spin, I can't spin it like this way around. I have to go the opposite way. I'm still connected to this corner here. Spin, 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 stop. And now this part, another piece of little tape. And like so. And now your shape is going to look something like this. Now, if I erase this little part here, when you actually put them on, just like with the translation where the tessellation part was a translation, for this one the tessellation part is also a rotation. They're spinning around a corner that they're meeting at. So if I trace one of these guys, and again, remember I gave you extra pieces of tag paper, so instead of trying to trace this guy with like flimsy bits, you're going to retrace this whole thing on a new sheet of paper and cut it out. When I go to draw this, I'm going to hold this corner again, and I'm going to spin and line that guy up so you can see this piece fits in with this. And now I'm going to go here. You can hear my cat again. Oh, she's very sad today. She needs you all to know she's here. And again, to do the next one, I'm going to hold still the same point here. And it's going to go spin, 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 and connect right there. Yes, we all hear you, but you don't get food yet. You got to chill out. Okay. And the last wedge of this is going to be continued to spin around, and it meets up with that original one. And it can go out like so. Ta-da! So now you have yours spun all around. And then you can even figure out, I believe, here we go. In order to start building out from that, you find where an edge meets up again. Here's that point. And then I'm going to spin it this way. And then spin it again. You can see you can continue to build out all the way around. And it continues building all the way out, all the way across your pages. All right, so that is your rotation tessellation.